Every year on October 16th, World Food Day emerges as a poignant reminder of the stark reality faced by millions who go to bed hungry. Yet, its true significance often unfolds in unexpected places, far beyond the grand speeches heard around the globe. At a humble school filled with laughter and joy, the real essence of food, kindness, and humanity sparkles through the heart of a dedicated teacher. In this vibrant setting, where sunshine kisses the playground, lessons of life are shared more profoundly than any textbook can convey. At Sunrise Public School, children's laughter dances freely through the air, guided by their beloved teacher, a radiant spirit named Miss Sana. Adored not just for her looks, but for the warmth radiating from her genuine smile, she enters the classroom with a purposeful heart and her lunchbox in hand. Chocolate bars and sandwiches are tucked inside, but what she carries most is the intention to teach her pupils something far beyond academic knowledge. One bright morning, she softly announces to her curious students the promise of special learning that day, igniting a sense of wonder among them. As the lunch bell chimes, a wave of excitement washes over the students. Colorful lunchboxes bloom open, revealing a feast of flavors in the sunlit room. But a hush falls where Miss Sana's eagle eyes spot a lonely figure, a little girl named Aisha, hiding her empty box behind her. Aisha's faint smile tells a bittersweet story of unspoken hunger. Instead of merely observing, Miss Sana decides to bridge the invisible gap with kindness and compassion, sharing the bounty of her own meal, thus turning the moment into one of connection and love. As they share their food, every bite transforms both Aisha's sadness and Miss Sana's warmth into a shared bond. As the scene unravels, a heartwarming cascade of sharing unfolds. The classroom pulses with camaraderie as children instinctively join in, combining their meals into a vibrant tapestry of flavors that mirrors their blossoming friendships. The lesson deepens as Miss Sana inscribes a powerful message on the board, transforming the event into a celebration of unity and purpose. Finally, those innocent children grow, stepping out into their respective lives, carrying forth the mantra of sharing and kindness sown by one devoted teacher. Years later, in the hearts of doctors, engineers, and educators, the spirit of Miss Sana flourishes as a testament to an invaluable lesson. True beauty and education are birthed from acts of compassion, binding souls beyond the material world.